Heather from firststepreading.com. Today I'm going to talk about how you make your very own travel reading kit. So this is just a magnetic lunchbox because it's made out of metal. And I took flashcards and I put magnets on the back. And then I chose just the letters that are relevant to the flashcards and I put them inside. So if she's working on the word is, she can go here and find her I and her S. And the reason why I really like using flashcards as opposed to some people use popsicle sticks, which you can do and put magnets on the back, but I like flashcards because my daughter's still learning the order of the letters. So this way she could put the I and the S right on top of the letters and she will spell it right. So is, because it's flat. So this is a sight word. This lunchbox is full of sight words. Sight words are words that are used frequently in text. So because they're so often seen, it's best to memorize them because if you have them memorized, you can read them quickly. And when you read more quickly and you're not stopping to sound them out or try to use your decoding skills, you understand your text better. And so it helps with reading comprehension. And also, many sight words don't follow traditional decoding rules, so they can be confusing or frustrating for students. So that's why it's best to memorize those. The other words, like word family words, should be read. So for this is for practice memorizing her sight words, but you can also use it for word family words for reading. So this is a travel reading kit. One more thing, if it's flat, this one, since it's flat and there's not indentations, I can write actually on it with a dry erase marker. So I keep a dry erase marker in it too to practice just sounding out and reading words. So that's another thing you can keep in your kit if you find one that is flat. If not, you can just stick to your note cards and the individual letters to make words, and that's how you create your own travel reading kit.